Question 1. What is Framework 7? Answer. Framework 7 is a free and open source framework for mobile HTML. It is used for developing hybrid mobile apps or web apps for iOS and Android devices. History. Framework 7 was introduced in the year 2014. The latest version 1.4.2 was released on February 2016, licensed under MIT. Question 2. Why to use Framework 7? Answer. It is easier to develop apps for iOS and Android. The learning curve for Framework 7 is very easy. It has many pre-styled widgets, components. It has built-in helper libraries. Question 3. What are the features of Framework 7? Answer. Framework 7 is an open source and free-to-use framework. Framework 7 has easy and familiar jQuery syntax to get started without any delay. To control click delay for touch UIs, Framework 7 has built-in fast click library. Framework 7 has built-in grid system layout for arranging your elements responsively. Framework 7 dynamically loads page from template via flexible router API. Question 4. What are the advantages and disadvantages of Framework 7? Answer. Advantages. Framework 7 is not dependent on any third-party library even for DOM manipulation. Instead, it has its own custom DOM 7. Framework 7 can also be used with Angular and React frameworks. You can start creating apps once you know HTML, CSS and some basic JavaScript. It supports faster development via Bower. It is easy to develop apps for iOS and Android without learning it. Disadvantages. Framework 7 only supports platforms like iOS and Android. The online community support for Framework 7 framework is less compared to iOS and Android. Question 5. What is Framework 7 environment? Answer. You can download the Framework 7 in two ways. Download from Framework 7 GitHub repository. You can install the Framework 7 by using Bower as shown below. Bower install Framework 7. After successful installation of Framework 7, you need to follow the below steps to make use of Framework 7 in your application. Step 1. You need to install Gulp CLI to build development and dist versions of Framework 7 by using the below command, npm install gulp CLI. The CLI stands for command line utility for Gulp. Step 2. The Gulp must be installed globally by using the below command, npm install global Gulp. Step 3. Next, install the Node.js package manager, which installs the Node programs that makes easier to specify and link dependencies. The below command is used to install the npm install. Step 4. The development version of Framework 7 can be built by using the below command, npm build. Step 5. Once you build the development version of Framework 7, start building app from dist folder by using the following command, npm dist. Step 6. Keep your app folder in the server and run the following command for navigation between pages of your app. Gulp server. Question 6. What are the Framework 7 layouts? Answer. Framework 7 provides different types of layouts for your application. It supports for three types of navbar toolbar layouts. Static layout. The static layout is most often used layout type and includes navbar and toolbar, which can be scrollable page content, and each page contains its own navbar and toolbar. Fixed layout. Fixed layout includes its own navbar and toolbar, which can be visible on screen and cannot be scrollable on page. Through layout. In this layout, the navbar and toolbar appears fixed for all pages within single view. Mixed layout. You can mix the different types of layouts in the single view. Question 7. What are Framework 7 navbars? Answer. Navbar consist of three parts, each of which may contain any HTML content, but it is suggested to use them like the way given below. Left, it is designed to place back link icons or single text link. Center, it is used to display title of the page or tab links. Right, this part can be used similar as left part. Below table demonstrates the use of navbar in detail. Basic basic navbar. A basic navbar can be created by using the navbar inner, left, center and right classes. Navbar with links. To use links in left and right part of your navbar, just add tag with class link. Multiple links. To use multiple links, just add few more to the part of your choice. Links with text and icons. The links can be provided with icons and text by adding classes for icons and wrapping the link text with element. Links with only icons. Navbar links can be provided with only icons by adding icon only class to links. Related app and view methods. On initializing the view, Framework 7 allows you to use methods available for navbar. Hide navbar automatically. The navbar can be hidden, shown automatically for some Ajax loaded pages where navbar is not required. Question 8. What are Framework 7 toolbars? Answer. Toolbar provides easy access to other pages by using navigation elements at the bottom of the screen. You can use toolbar in two ways as specified in the table. Hide toolbar. You can hide the toolbar automatically when you load the pages by using the No Toolbar class to loaded page. Bottom toolbar. Place the toolbar at the bottom of the page by using the toolbar bottom class. Methods of toolbar. The following available methods can be used with toolbars. My app, hide toolbar, toolbar. It hides the specified toolbar. My app, show toolbar, toolbar. It shows the specified toolbar. View, hide toolbar. It hides the specified toolbar in the view. View, show toolbar. It shows the specified toolbar in the view. Question 9. What is Framework 7 search bar? Answer. Framework 7 allows searching the elements by using the search bar class. Search bar parameters and description. Type default search list. It searches the CSS selector or HTML element of the list, string or HTML element search in. You can search the list view elements of CSS selectors. Also searches the elements by parsing item title, item text classes, string, item title, found. It searches the CSS selector or HTML element using found element. Further, it uses search bar found element if there is no element specified, string or HTML element not found. It searches the CSS selector or HTML element using not found element. Further, it uses search bar not found element if there is no element specified, string or HTML element overlay. It searches the CSS selector or HTML element using search bar overlay element and uses search bar overlay element if there is no element specified, string or HTML element. Ignore. You can ignore the CSS selector for items by using the search bar string. Search bar ignore custom search. When it is enabled, the search bar will not search through any of list blocks which is specified by search list and you will be allowed to use custom search functionality. Boolean false. Remove diacritics. When searching for an element, remove the diacritics by enabling this parameter. Boolean false. Hide dividers. This parameter will hide item dividers and group title. If there are no items, Boolean true. Hide groups. This parameter will hide the groups if there are no items found in the list view groups. Boolean true. Question 10. What are search bar properties? Answer. Search bar properties. My search bar params represents the initialized parameters passed with object. My search bar query searches the current query. My search bar search list defines the search list block. My search bar container defines the search bar container with HTML element. My search bar input defines the search bar input with HTML element. My search bar active. It defines whether search bar is enabled or disabled.